Want to control which photos show up in your iPhone's featured photo widget? Here's how to make it personal and perfect. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helps. Tap and hold your home screen. Then hit the plus icon to add a new widget. Scroll down and select Photos. The featured option shows random moments, but it doesn't let you pick specific photos. To fix that, you need a third-party app like Photo Widget from the App Store. Once you install it, open the app and create a new album. Give it a name like Family and add the exact photos you want. After saving, go back to your home screen, tap and hold again, and remove the old photo widget. Now, add the new photo widget from the app. Choose the style you like, and boom! It's now showing only the pictures you picked. Customize your memories your way. Like, comment, and follow for more iPhone tricks.